Everyone, Anil Barra here, and today I'm going to show you our amazing tool Imagio AI. So basically, people are using a lot of AI generation tools like Leonardo, Canva, and others, and they are generating images. But first time in this market, we have developed our own tool that can generate different type of image creatives, and you can get benefit from them. Remember that image AI is not an API based tool like we have not integrated any backend API into this. We have developed this tool using stands and hosted on servers. So it's just standalone AI. It's not any API key based AI, and we are proud that we have invented this one first time in the market because you are seeing lots of AI tools that have been offered in the market, but basically they are just using backend API key of other AI tools and offering you service. But in our case, we had built this AI tool and it's hosted on our servers. So you are in full freedom to use this tool. You will have all the emails stored on your servers and you don't have to create any VPN to host them. You have to just use Imagio AI to generate any image. Once you get your ready image, you can see this screen and you have to just click on sign in. Awesome. So I'm now inside Imagio AI, and once you hit the dashboard, you will see this training video that is showing you shows that provide how you can use this tool. So this is not a complex tool. We made it very simple for everyone. Even a newbie or a just 8-year child can use this tool to generate amazing images. So you have to just create here on Imagio AI template, and once you are inside Imagio AI template, then you will see different examples. So these are not done for you templates. These are just generation tools. So Imagio AI have lot of generation and manipulation tools like it is having logo creation tool, it is having ghibli style creation tool. You can create social media post, you can also create ebook covers. So just as a sample we have shown here that what you can create. And then we have image manipulation tool. Yeah, you can remove the background, you can remove any object, and you can use image UI for your product. So let me dive into this, and first we will create a product photo. Cool. So now we are inside product generation tool, and I will write here product name. My product name is Imagio perfume, and I want, okay, let's not write a long prompt. I will just write my product is Imagio perfume, and I will ask Imagio AI to improve the prompt. So this is the amazing thing that you are going to get inside Imagio AI, that let you write anything like a lemon and it will make it professional. So I will hit on AI improvements, and wow, so you can see here now, just the simple text that I had entered about my product has been converted into a fully detailed prompt that is we are going to use inside Image AI. So once you have your improved prompt, you can just choose the aspect ratio. It depends on your project that how you want to use it, and then hit generate. Awesome. So now we got a product image that has been generated just by a simple prompt, and you can see here quality of image, it's full HD and you can use it for any product. So now you can create brand logo using image AI brand logo creation tool. So I'm inside, and we have to just enter brand name like image bakery, and we can just give a simple prompt like create logo for Imagio bakery that provide amazing products. Okay, you can ask AI to improve it, or you can simply use a simple prompt that we had done previously. And now I will just choose the same format and click on generate. Awesome. So you can see here now that Imagio bakery logo is ready and we can use it for our product. So when you go inside Imagio AI, you will get lot of options, like you can create animated character, you can create portraits, you can create ebook covers. Awesome. So let me show you that how you can use image manipulation tool to manipulate images using Imagio AI. So I will just click on object removal section, and it is asking me to upload a photo, and let me upload a photo. Cool. So I had uploaded a photo, and now I will ask AI to create it. Remove stick from the image and hit generate. Cool. So you can see here, this is the output, and you can see this was the input. I had not shown you image earlier. This image was uploaded, and this is the output we got using Imagio AI. So using Imagio AI, you can remove any object from a picture and you can make it vibrant and fast. So you can create any type of image using Imagio AI by giving a simple prompt. Like you can see here, I have created one sketch, then I had created one social media post about farming, then I had created a just simple logo. I had also created a product image of Imagio. So lot of things you can create using Imagio AI, and hit the buy button now and get your copy of Imagio AI. I will see you inside. Thank you for watching this video.